Welcome to InfoDem. In this video, I'll be teaching you how you can design your book cover on your own by using COREL DRAW with your laptop. Before you can even think of designing a book cover, I want to believe that you've already gotten your interior ready. And if you haven't gotten your interior, my last video in which I promised that my next video is going to be on how to create a book cover using COREL DRAW. You can actually watch it. The video is about how you can get your no content book interior free of charge downloaded online. You can just do it. It's very simple. It's just a 7-minute video that when you watch, you can actually generate the interior for your book. And right now, we are going to be going into this video on how to create a cover book for your no content book. If you haven't watched my video on how to create a KDP account, please, I will enjoy you to do so. You can see all the link below and how to also publish book on Amazon and become a publisher. You will see the link below. You can see the link. You can actually click the link and watch the video, and I bet you after this video you are already a publisher. If you take your time and watch these 4 videos, you are already a publisher, because I make sure that everything is simplified, that even a layman can actually listen and watch that video and be a publisher on Amazon. So right now we are going to be creating book cover for our non-content book. The last video that I did, the interior that I did was just plain book. That is people call it drawing book, notebook. And right now we are going to be doing book cover for notebook. So the first thing you want to do, if you want to create a cover for your book, not content book, is to go to your COREL DRAW and open it. And right here, the version that I'm using is COREL DRAW X7. So depending on the one that you are using, but it's all the same thing. You can actually do it on any version. So after opening your COREL DRAW, the next thing you want to do is to get the size of your book cover, because if you don't get the right size for your book, Amazon will reject it. So it depends on the number of pages and the size of your book. This cover that I'm about to design is for 120 pages of note, and the size of that interior is 8.5 by 11 inches. So the first thing you want to do to get cover for this size that I just mentioned is to go to layout. You click layout, then you come to setup. You come to setup, and the right size for this cover is going to be, the width is going to be 20.944 inches, while the width is going to be 14.417 inches. 14.417 inches. If you have inputted that, you come to OK. You OK it. When you OK it, it will give you this size. It will give you this size. Then, having done that, the next thing you want to do is to get the center of what you're about to do. And how do you do that? You pick a line from here and bring it to the center. You can see we have from 0 to 20 point 20, let's say 22 here. So what we are looking at here is to get 11 as the center. So the next thing you want to do, which is very important, is to get your spine. You get your spine. How do you do that? You come to this place and pick rectangle and draw your spine. Your spine is going to be like this. It's going to be like this. It's as simple as that. This is your spine. The essence of spine is when your book cover is ready, especially when your book is arranged in a shelf, it shows the names of your book. You can actually write name on this spine, and you can also leave it as well. So that is your spine. The next thing you want to do is to get the rectangle again and size this place up with your rectangle, and also this other side with rectangle. You can say it's very easy. So what you will do next is you drop your rectangle here. This is where you pick it, then here you drop it. When you click here, it will drop. So what we want to do next is to change the color. I don't like yellow color. I want it to be black. I click here and I give it black color. Here, same thing, I give it black color. Then even the spine, I don't like the way it looks. I want to give it, okay, let me give it ash color. That is the spine. The next thing you want to do here, because it's just a simple design that we are doing, the next thing you want to do here is to put a write-up. What we are doing here is a notebook. So what I need to put here is just a notebook. As you can see, it's black. So I'll need to change the color of the text to white. That is what I need to do. Need to change it to white. Need to change it to white. So as you can see, my notebook is ready. The next thing I need to do is to make it a little bit bigger by dragging this as my notebook. If I don't like the color as well, I want the color to be, let's say gold, I can change it to gold. So my notebook is ready. The next thing you want to do from here is to group it. And how do you group it? You click from up here, you left click and drag everything. When you drag everything, when you cover everything, the next thing you want to do is to press your Ctrl G from your keyboard. You press Ctrl G. It has grouped. The reason why I say it has grouped together is like this. You can move it now. Everything will move together, as you can see. So it's already grouped together. So when you get to this level, the next thing you want to do is to save this. And how do you save this? In COREL DRAW, you export it. I repeat again, you export it. You come to file and you come to export. You click export. Then when you are exporting it, don't forget that in my previous video that I said your interior and your cover must be in PDF format. So what do? Let me write my notebook. Then it's already in PDF format. So if your own is not there, just click here and pick PDF format. Once it is in PDF format, I want this thing to be saved on my desktop. Then I come here, I click export. I'm exporting it. It's exporting right now. It's exporting right now. As you can see, it has been successfully exported to my desktop, and here we have it. You can see it here. Let us preview it. Let us preview what we have just done. And as you can see, our book cover, notebook cover is ready. It's ready. So from this point now, you can actually upload it on Amazon. I want to congratulate you. If you have watched these 4 videos that I did, you can be sure that you are a publisher, because there is everything that you need to know about publishing on Amazon is in these 4 videos. And if you haven't watched it, the links are below. Just pick them one after the other and watch everything, and I can assure you, you will have your book published on Amazon. So I want to enjoy you. I want to tell you, if you find this video interesting, please don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to share this video, because I'll be unfolding more videos on how you can actually make money online. Amazon. This is just one part of it. So watch out for my next video. Until then, be good.